Scared by this, all the gods left heaven and hid in Kashi. Durasadana followed them to Kashi, and so they went to Kedarnath. There the gods prayed to Parvati. An avatar of Ganesha, Vakratunda, with 5 faces and 10 hands, came out of Parvati's face. She gave him a lion to ride. Vakratunda went and fought with Durasadana. He assumed his huge form Vishvarup and placed his foot on Durasadana's head to remove all his evil thoughts. Durasadana was reformed, and Vakratunda gave him the duty of removing evil henceforth.
Wait.
The marriage of Kartikeya, King Nambirajan, prayed to Shiva for a daughter. One day, while he was in the forest, he found a baby girl. He brought her up as his daughter and called her Vali. When she grew up, Kartikeya, the son of Shiva and Parvati, wanted to marry her. Kartikeya disguised himself as a bangle seller and went to her palace. He started talking to Vali. Vali's brothers, who were very brave and strong, saw this. They did not like their sister talking to a man. When Kartikeya saw Vali's angry brothers, he escaped by becoming a tree stump. Kartikeya went to Vali again, this time disguised as a tribal king. But when he saw her brothers, he became a saint and escaped. Kartikeya wanted desperately to ask for Vali's hand in marriage. He asked his brother Ganesha to help him. One day, when Vali was outdoors, Ganesha disguised himself as a wild elephant and attacked her. Kartikeya saved her life and then asked her to marry him. Vali gladly consented, and they got married.
Wait.
The Dreamer. Once again, Vikram picked up Badal and put him on his shoulder. Badal began a story. There was a rich man called Dhanalal. His relative, Chandu, lived with him. Chandu was young but lazy. One afternoon when he was sleeping, he dreamt that he was a rich man and Dhanalal his servant. In his sleep, he spoke, "Dhanalal, you are my servant, come here." Dhanalal, who was nearby, heard this. He got very angry and threw Chandu out of his house. Chandu went to a sage and asked him to make him rich. The sage gave him a mantra and said, "Whenever you dream of something, if you want it to become true, chant this mantra." Chandu was happy. He went to sleep. He dreamt that Dhanalal was saying sorry and wanted Chandu to marry his daughter. Chandu woke and chanted the mantra. At once his dream came true. Chandu became Dhanalal's son-in-law and started living in his house. But the servants of the house did not respect him because he did not work. Dhanalal gave Chandu some money, with which he started a business. One night, he dreamt that he had become a rich businessman. He woke up and chanted the mantra. His business flourished and he earned a lot of wealth. But the other businessmen did not respect him. One day, Chandu dreamt that he had become king. When he woke, he didn't chant the mantra. He went to the saint and gave back his boon. Beetle asked, "Why did he do that?" Vikram replied, "Chandu had realized that without hard work he could earn money but not the respect of others." Beetle said, "You are right, but you spoke, so here I go."